Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to accept an invite to play a game on your Nintendo Switch. So if you look on the home screen, there is no option for like notifications or anything like that. So you can't just accept it right here. What you want to do is go up to the top left and go to your specific page. So I'm Timothy, so I'm going to go to Timothy's page. Now, if one of your friends sent you an invite, you want to scroll on down to where it says online play invites right here. Invites from friends to join online play and support software will be displayed here. So if you got an invite, just come to this section and then press A on it, and you should be able to load up the game from this menu and then join their game and start playing with it. Also, you can look at your friends list right here. If you're in a game, you should be able to just invite your friends. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.